Hi everyone. So one of the questions we've been asked a lot lately is how do we handle mismatched shapes and diameters in our plant? So we can make these transition pieces that go from a larger outlet to a smaller inlet, and these allow you to handle those mismatches. So one of the things to be conscious of with these tapered pieces is that you will see a little bit more wear on the connector walls. So you can consider to use flow correction to prevent some of that wear and just minimize the product contact with the connector surfaces. These are also quite good with abrasive products when you use them the other way around. So if you have a small outlet and a large inlet to the next piece, this just means that any kind of abrasive product or hot product running through that isn't going to contact the connector walls, and that's just going to increase the life of your connectors by preventing that general wear and tear. Some of our customers also use squared around transition pieces. So if you have a square outlet on one of your pieces, you can create a sheet metal squared around, then attach the spigot to that, and that way you can connect a BFM connector or a taper to that to handle that mismatch.
Thanks for watching everyone. And if you have any further technical questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.